Well, I don't know if y'all can read that, but that says 3/5/24. And just so you know, today's like, what, 10th of January 2026. So yeah, almost 2 years on the oil change. The old Crown Vic don't care. Just gonna change the oil quick. We're gonna try out this thing today. Master Oil Funnel Filling Kit. That way you can put your exact 6.8 quart, liter, whatever in your Crown Vic. Now we'll see how it works out though. Pretty nice. I was just thinking about the cleanness of it. Just pour it in there, put the flap down, and let the oil drain. See how it works. Alright, one of the first things I always like to do before an oil change, you gotta get this oil filler cap off, otherwise the oil won't come out. Shane, can you guess what size it is? Huh? 15. A 15? Let's see. No, this isn't a Chevy. Oh, it's bigger. So I'm trying to remember if these were a 17 or not. Oh yeah, it's a 17. Yeah, the Silverado's a 13.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh my gosh! Ugh. I must have used the big impact last time. Look at that beautiful 2-year-old oil.
How's it looking?
Like oil. You know, I heard a pretty popular YouTuber once say, you know, it's dinosaur bone juice and it's like 3 million years old, so I don't think 2 years in the car really hurts it. You know, it kind of makes sense. Dinosaur juice. Here is the bazillion-dollar question. Can I get this off by hand? Should be, because I put it on there last. I'm not very strong. Oh no. It's turning. Oh my goodness. My carpal tunnel's kicking in. Why is it not getting looser? There we go. Okay. That's loosened. Oh my gosh, Taco Bell's here. Might have to hold all production here for a minute.
Yep.
Alrighty. Got my catch pan here. That way it can go everywhere other than in the catch pan. Because it's a Ford. And they have the oil filter in the most dumbest spot, I have to admit. Why is no Earl coming out? That's... There it is. There is that. Let that finish draining for a minute. I gotta go get me some Taco Bell. Alrighty. Clean up this little spot. And by the way, guys, don't forget to write. Now, it might not be easy on all the filters, but don't forget to write your mileage and your date on there. That way, you know. For sure. That ain't going nowhere. Alrighty, got the new oil filter on. Got our drain plug plugged in. Guess it's time to unbox this thing and see how it works. Alrighty, so we've got a Ford cap in here somewhere. So here's that thingy. Here's this thingy, which I guess is that does that right there. That just threads onto there. Now, let's see, which one's our Ford? You'd think it'd be the blue one, but it isn't. Gray one and the orange one. Let's see here. Guess I just match it to my cap. Looks like it's this one. Look at that. Huh. Okay. I guess. Yep. Kind of cool. Let's see, what does this say? This is a 1.5 quart jug. How about that? Alright, moment of truth. Okay. Doing a thing. Can you spin it, make it go faster? Actually, I just realized too, that's kind of acts as a little filter in there for just in case you do got any junk in your oil. So that was a 1.5 quart-ish.
That's cool when you're fine tuning exactly your level. You just turn
Yeah.
it on and off real quick.
Especially because a lot of these newer vehicles, you know, they got the weird sizes. You know, it's not just 5 or 6 quarts anymore. It's just okay. Oh wow! I mean, a little bit of a drip came out of it. I was gonna say it's pretty well sealed though. Just gonna pop the cap on it. We're gonna get it on level ground, and we will double check our fluid levels. Alright, so another little trick I like to do, especially with these Fords and their overhead cams and vehicles with overhead cams in general, they'll always get a good chain slap if you just start them up after an oil change. Well, here's a little trick. If you hold the accelerator pedal to the floor, now this works mostly with any vehicle that's throttled by wire. This won't work on older vehicles, obviously, but again, hold the accelerator pedal to the floor, turn your key on, let it stop dinging, and now once you go to turn it on, the car will not start. You just do that for a little bit, let it prime up some oil pressure. Now when you start it, it shouldn't rattle. Right. Try to wipe it down. What are we looking like? A smiggle more. About a half quart. Alrighty. So probably about a good half of a quart. Maybe even a little bit more. Probably about there. Check our levels again. Looks like we're right on the money. That's cool. Well, I'd say that was pretty successful. I like it. Nice and clean. Really nice that you got your on and off right here. Adjust how much oil you need. That was pretty cool. So yeah, a master oil funnel filling kit, and I just picked it up on Amazon. Got all those different adapters, different vehicles, and yeah, that's that. It's got this. These are magnetic trays here for all the adapters. So that's pretty cool. Well, alrighty, that's going to be that for this one. I'll have links down in the description for this, and I guess that's that. See you guys in the next one.